That's all, fam. So as y'all can see, we have the package. So what I want to do right now is I'm fixing to flip it over, unbox it, and show y'all what's in the box. Do y'all think it's something car related? Y'all think it's something totally different? Like, let me know, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. So yeah, I'm about to open the box and we gonna see what's in here, fam. So that's all I found. Y'all see we got the box open. Let's move all this. Oh my god! Great God, I got a lot of tissue paper here. But as y'all can see, we have a laser engraver now. You know? So, let's go ahead and open it and let's see how it looks. That's what I found. So, got this. It's a booklet right here. It's another little booklet. Put these to the side real quick. I suck at unboxing stuff, so I did a 5-watt laser, so this is the laser. This is the actual machine, you know. I'm excited, y'all. So yeah, we're adding this to the family, y'all. Start giving y'all some more like custom type stuff. I guess this is hardware in here. Yep, a lot of hardware in here and stuff. So yeah. Got the laser right here. So yeah.